How to add contact us form in Canva website. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add a contact form and collect emails in your Canva website. So let's get started. First off, we're just going to create our Canva website, and it could be any type of website. It doesn't matter whether you're building your portfolio or you're just starting up your e-commerce store. You can proceed with building a contact section because a contact section allows you to find interested people that are, that want to know more about your business. So let's say this is our portfolio over here. And in our portfolio, we have a send an email section, but instead of this, I want to have a contact form. So I'm going to duplicate this page as it is. And I'm going to remove the top one. I think that just looks a bit redundant. And I'm going to change the text on this page and write contact us. And then I'm going to change the font from the top left. Now, once I've done that, it's time to actually incorporate my form. Now, this really just depends on how you want everything to be structured. I am placing my text at the center. Now, once I've done that, I have two options. I can either go onto Google Forms to build my form, or I can go onto JotForm. This really depends on your personal preference. Both of them are amazing and both of them are available for free. So you can build your free contact form. Usually when you're starting off and you don't have a lot of categorization to do, you can proceed with either one of these. Now, with JotForm, there's a limit to the monthly submissions, so you can only have 100 monthly submissions. So I personally do prefer Google Forms over JotForm, but when you're just starting out, you can definitely proceed with JotForm as well. Now I'm just going to go on to Google Form and click on Go to Forms. Once I click on Go to Forms, I can start building my form. Now, if you go into the template gallery on Google, you do have contact information and a couple of different templates available, but I'm just going to create a blank form. And I'm going to name this as Contact Us. And below that, we're going to add a description. So get in touch with us. And then after that, I'm going to enter the questions. So your questions are not going to be questions, they are going to be your actual contact information. So I'm going to write email, and then people can write a short answer. And I'm going to make this a required field by tapping on the bottom right. Then I'm going to add another question, and this is going to be full name or first name, last name. You can do that, but I just like to write full name. And this is a short answer, and I'm going to make this required. If you don't want to make it required, you can leave that out as well. Then you can proceed with another section. So if you want to add other questions, you can add those as well. I'm only going to go with the basic contact us form. So this is the basic email, full name. You can ask for their phone number or any other details. Then on the top left, you're just going to click on the title section and it will be converted into whatever title you put in here. You can change it as well. I'm going to keep it as it is. Then you're going to click on your settings. So in your settings, you have the option to manage how responses are collected. So if respondents will be required to sign into Google, you're going to turn this off, so do not collect. We are collecting email addresses, but that is going to be typed in. You can choose responder input or do not collect. I go with do not collect because it makes my contact form blend in seamlessly with the Canva website. Then after that, we can limit to one response if we want. We have presentation, and then we have our form defaults, and then we have make question defaults. Now, once we've done that, we can click on preview just to preview our form, and we can add images so it reflects our brand, but for us, this looks fine. Once completed, I can click on send on the top right, and once I click on send, I can click on the link or click on embed, and I can copy this embed code. Once I've copied this, I can go back into Canva. And once you go into Canva, you can click on apps and you can search for embed. And after that, you can type in your code and then click on add to design. Okay, so this does not support Google Forms, so we're going to have to use another application. Now, you can see it does support Typeform, so if you're using Typeform, this can work for you. But I'm just going to search for forms, and I can go with Google Form. And we have Google Drive, Google Photos, Google Ads. I can't see the application for Google Forms, so just wait a second. We can always add the shortened URL, and then we can add that over here. So we can include this, and whenever someone clicks on the Contact Us form, it would appear. So we're just going to go back into our original Embed app. So this is the Embed app. You can just search for it in your app section. Just search for Embed, and the blue one is the one you want to use. And instead of using your embed code, go into your Google form, okay? Click on send, and then copy the link part instead of the embed code part, because the embed code is what is not working. You're going to copy your link from here. And once you copy your link, go back into Canva, and then you're going to paste in your link and then click on add to design. And just like that, our contact us form has been added. Now I'm going to remove the heading from Canva because it looks a bit redundant. And I'm just going to add it like so. And I'm going to expand it a little so it doesn't look like it's, broken up. So I'm just going to expand it over here. And once I have this added like this, I'm going to center it. And if you want, you can definitely resize it over here to better fit, the tab that you have created. And once you've done that, your contact form is now in your Canva website. Now, if I click on preview, and I will show you guys what it looks like. So this is our portfolio. And if we scroll down at the end, this is our contact us tab, and it is a complete form. We can type in our answer and then submit our contact form. Now you can add more fields to have a more diverse form. If you want to gather more information about any particular query that the customer may have, we can also do that by entering more fields in Canva in the Google form. You can also use Typeform because it is integrated into Canva, or you can use Jotform as well. Any of these form tools do work, but keep in mind that some of these more premium applications are going to have a limit to the number of submissions that you can have. When you have a limit, even if you're getting 5,000 customers signing up every month, because of the limit, you're only going to be able to view 200 responses, and the rest of them aren't going to go to the trash. So that is why, unless you're on the premium versions of these applications, opt for Google Forms instead. Even though they might not look as pretty, they do the work really nicely. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.